Okay, let's talk about rockets real quick here. Okay? All right. Well, here's things we call elastic, inelastic collisions. One thing I want you to notice, look here. These two stick, their velocities before equals 0 because they're of equal mass going the same speed but in opposite directions. Their velocity after, thunk, equals 0. Here's an inelastic collision. Notice, cruising right along, boom, and then they notice long vector arrow means it's going faster. Then when they hook together, it's about half that length. If they're the same mass, they're stuck together to go cruising along. It's also a key. One of the things is the kinetic energy is not conserved, but we're not worried about kinetic energy. Even though you did kinetic energy in your one lab, when you ran up the stairs, it was mv squared. You 1/2 mv squared. You learned about the kinetic energy. Here's like, you know, a big linebacker running and a little halfback running this way, but the linebacker's got a lot more velocity. Boom, they stick together and they're going to take off this way. All right. So now let's talk about rockets. Okay, this is our intro to rockets. If you blow up a balloon and let it go, it zigzags all around. Okay, in other words, the gas escaping out of the escaping air exerts a force on the balloon that pushes the balloon in the opposite direction. Jet propulsion is another example of when you get recoil of conservation of momentum. Okay, so here we go. Here's the bullet. Bang. Force on the bullet, force on the rifle, you get a little recoil. Okay. Whoops. Whoops, sorry. All right. So you get this really fast bullet going this way and slower recoil going this way. Same thing happens, but it's under such tremendous pressure. Same thing happens with a rocket. Notice, very fast expulsion of gases going this way. Very fast. And the masses, and they're all going this way, is pushing it up this way. This is how, so instead of having liquid oxygen burning out of the back of it, you're going to have water, vinegar, and baking soda mixture, which turns into a new chemical which is going to shoot out the back. All right? And that's how your pre-lab work. That's how your lab is going to work. And on the actual lab sheet, the lab write-up sheet, is a video that explains exactly. This kid does a beautiful job of explaining how to build this rocket. It's not that hard. Okay? So now let's go take a look at the pre-lab assignment. See if we can do this.